Good morning and namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with a new video. Today my video topic is how to prepare your car windshield and glasses for the upcoming monsoon. And this is very important because we need an absolute clear vision without any fog while we drive ड्यूरिंग मानसून सीजन. तो मानसून में हम कैसे हमारा ग्लास को प्रिपेयर करें, इसी वीडियो में हम ये टॉपिक को कवर करेंगे. माय डेमो कार विल बी नाउ माय फोर्ड इको स्पोर्ट. आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू डू दिस इन माय अर्लियर कार ऑल्सो. द वीडियो लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. फ्रेंड्स एंड व्यूअर्स हु आर न्यू टू आवर चैनल, डोंट forget to like and subscribe because it is your like and subscribe gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. So please do subscribe and comment and don't forget to comment and any suggestions in your comment box because this gives me an opportunity to be more in contact with you. So let's start the project. For this we'll be requiring these products. We'll be requiring some shampoo water, a RainX repellent. I have a detailed video of this RainX repellent, a glass cleaner and a glass wiper, a shampoo water and some plain water. Now the first job will be and some microfiber towel. I have also brought a specialty glass microfiber towel. If you don't have, even then it will do the job. Now the first job will be to clean the windscreen so that it is free from debris and any impurities. So I will first spray some water over it. Then I will apply some shampoo water. You can use any car specialty shampoo. Now I will allow few minutes so that the shampoo agitates the dirt. Now I will wipe the glass with the help of this particular glass wiper. Remember to do this job in a cool atmosphere, otherwise this shampoo water or glass cleaners will stick to your glass and it will be very difficult for you to do work and it will lead to spots and stains. So that is also very important. Don't do it under direct sunlight or if your glass is hot. If there are additional debris, with the help of a cloth, remove them. These are bird droppings, so it should be absolutely clear. Remember that. We'll again apply shampoo. Remember the glass should be absolutely clear. Now I will remove the traces of shampoo. Now with the help of a plain microfiber cloth, I will clean the glasses again. Now we have removed all the traces of shampoo from the glass. Now we will apply glass cleaner. Why glass cleaner? Because this will remove any oily residue that will be present on your glass. Now your glass is ready for application of RainX. Now I will apply the RainX. For that I will need another cloth. Remember, absolute cleanliness is necessary when you are applying this product. You can already see the glass now looks spotlessly clean without any dirt or any debris. Now what we will do, we will apply this RainX. This is the product. Shake well before use. Now I will apply it over a cloth. Now we will apply it. Apply some few drops and spread over the windshield. Now buff it off after applying it. We'll apply 2 coats for better results. Again we'll go for another coat. No. So your windshield is ready. Now we'll take care of the inside also. For inside we won't apply this particular product, we'll just clean it. I have a dedicated video how to clean the inside of your windshield. That link will be also in the description box. So for the inside we'll use only this glass cleaner, and care should be taken that you don't spray on your FASTag sticker. The most difficult part is the inside. Oh, wait a minute. You have to do it little bit fast because glass cleaners dries up very fast. Yeah. So it's complete.
কি স্পিডের মতো আছে
ঠিক আছে, এটা ডলও উঠে যাবে, ভাঁজ করে না। So the glass is ready. চলে এসো।
তোমাদের ইউটিউবে অ্যাকাউন্টের নাম কি, যেটা আছে এটা পরিষ্কার করা?
Super Cyber. So in this way you prepare your windshield for the monsoon, and this will definitely give you very good results, and I have been able to show you how to detail and make your windshield ready for the coming monsoon. तो ऐसे ही आप कर सकते हैं, बहुत आसान है। So that's the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste, and please do subscribe.